Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening my winter 2021 Fab Fit Fun box. That year flew by. I remember just getting like my first box after renewing my subscription. I always renew it like around Mother's Day, and that flew by. Very big box, very festive looking box. First thing in here, I'm going to grab this thing, which I have been into doing lately. Oh, these are a lot bigger than I thought. These are the chocolate molds for making chocolate bombs. I got some molds from when I was at Disneyland. Like, they're really cute ones. Like castle, like Mickey ears, and they've been a challenge to make hot chocolate bombs with, but maybe these will be a lot better, hopefully. They're very big. Like, look at that. That's like almost like a tennis ball. A lot of chocolate, I think about it. Cool. Oh, they threw my add-ons right in there. Or my add-on. I have one add-on. Okay, what else is in here? Ah, to go with this, I chose the frother because I didn't have one of these little frothers. I have an espresso, one of those kind of like bigger ones. But this will be nice because maybe I don't want to do it separately and then have to wash that thing. I can just bring this thing out. I am not going to bring this out of the box because I'm sure tons of other people brought theirs out of the box. I believe this was a choice, but it was paired with something else. This is the pumice, the foot pumice. I was like always curious to feel what this felt like. Like, is it gonna actually do anything? Okay, yeah. Oh, for some reason when I looked at these little bumps, they look smooth, but when I touch it, it feels like non-slip material or something. So this should get a really good exfoliation on your feet. Let's go in priority place. I'm all about the home manis and pedis. I can't even remember the last time I actually went in. Must have been like over 2 years ago. Okay. I know that came with something else. It was like a bundle or something. I don't know. I got the collagen serum from Dr. Brandt. A lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but that's okay. We're gonna try that out. His stuff is always good, so I'm sure that will be good as well. I chose from the Briogeo category, I chose the Scalp Revival treatment. I like the idea of like scalp treatments. Ooh, that's very cool. Charcoal. I bet this is gonna have a minty smell. Tea tree has to be. Yep. I almost want to like try that. Watch this be one that you have to wash out. And I'm putting it on my head right now. Oh, do not rinse out. Good. It feels cold right there. You know, I haven't even read what this does. Restore hydration. Good, yeah, because sometimes my scalp is dry. Okay. Already used that out the box. What else is in here? Something tiny. Aesthetica liquid eyeliner. Was that part of the bundle? Maybe. I actually think I need this because my Stila one ran out, and then I started using my Tarte one. Oh, okay. Ooh. Very dark. Looks good. I'm gonna stick that right in my little thing there. I mean, it's just black eyeliner. But in case you wanted to see how fine it was, no bleeding between my little skin lines. You never want that. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. This bag, this Herschel bag. Oh, it's a lot more brown in person. Online it looked like it was like soft pink. But I mean, I like this color too. Kind of your standard shaped tote. Oh, but there's a lot of, well, not a lot, but like there's 2 pockets in here. This will be good for throwing stuff in. Not bad. Okay. And then why don't I remember this? Elixir bottle. Elixir bottle. Oh, olive oil bottle. Yeah, I chose the olive oil bottle because I need something for my vegetable oil. I have something for olive oil, so I'm actually going to use this for vegetable oil. Which makes more sense because it's the bigger one. I used a little silver one for olive oil. I feel like when I use vegetable oil, I tend to need more oil. So I'm going to put... Oh, that's nice. Yeah. I found that I did a lot more cooking this year than I've done probably in all my life. Which is a good thing because it saves money on eating out. I'm actually gonna save this and not use it just yet. But I can't wait to use it. And the last thing in here is my add-on, which were some Glamnetic reusable press-on nails with some colorful tips. And I was really curious, like, how do you reuse press-on nails? Don't tell me there's a liquid eyeliner magnetic thing on here that you paint on your nails. Okay, you just glue them on. So are they just regular press-on nails with the Glamnetic brand name on them? I guess so, because that looks like your typical nail glue. I mean, realistically, how quick are these gonna pop off my fingers? I haven't been doing my nails because like I ran out of my base gel coat for my dip nails, so I've just been lazy to do anything with my nails. But I will give these a shot. Even though they're summer spring themed, that's fine. I don't care. They look cool. And I guess that's it for my box. You know, looking at all this stuff now, I felt like I spent more time choosing the things in my box than pulling the things out of my box. Yeah, that went by pretty quick. I felt like I was choosing like a million stuff when we were customizing, and now that it's all here, that went by really quickly. So that's it for the 2021 boxes. Can't wait to see you guys in 2022. Can't wait to see what 2022 boxes bring. Oh my god, I don't even think about it. I've just been Christmas shopping and I'm already having to think about the spring box. Well, I don't have to think about it, but I'm thinking about it because that's the next box. But yeah. If you like a slower paced year, I suggest not getting Fab Fit Fun because Fab Fit Fun makes it feel like it's going so fast. Like the season box is already coming and you're like, oh my god, the year's over. Oh my god, the next box is the spring box. I'm rambling now. Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye!